Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding decimals worksheets. So this video presents a few slides where we have some practice in adding decimals. Now if you're not sure what to do, we've had a lesson on this, and on the last slide of this video there is a link, and if you click on the link it's very easy to see. It's the actual lesson that we did. If you click on that, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain what to do. So let's have a look at some simple examples. So with this first one here, make sure the numbers are perfectly lined up and make sure the decimals are perfectly lined up. You can see that's the same for every single example, so I won't mention that again. What I will mention is that when you have a digit or a single number to the right of the decimal point, this 7 here is actually 7 over 10. This 2 is actually 2 over 10. That's very important to understand that. Then you have the decimal point, and any number to the left of the decimal point, immediately to the left, like this 3, that's 3 ones and 5 ones. Coming down to the next one, this 4 here has a value of 4 over 100. The 8, okay, the 8 has a value of 8 over 100. The 7 has a value of 7 over 10, and the 5 has a value of 5 over 10. Over here, this 5 has a value of 5 over 1,000, 6 over 100, 7 over 10, and it's the same value over here with these. So we did a lesson on this a while back where we explained the value of each of the digits to the right of the decimal point. It's exactly the same here. We just have more involved. You have more numbers involved here, but the idea is exactly the same. Okay, down here, okay, we got right across to here, see? So here, for example, 6 over 10, 5 over 100, 9 over 1,000, 8 over 10,000. So they're the values of each of those digits, and it's the same all the way through. Okay, so, and the last one here, this is a bit more tricky because look, we've got 5 digits after the decimal point, so let's quickly go through their value. 8 over 10, 7 over 100, 6 over 1,000, 9 over 10,000, and 5 over 100,000. So having said all that, add them up normally as if you were adding whole numbers. Remember what the values of each digit is because they are to the right of the decimal point. The trading is exactly the same. Take your time because these are a bit tricky. There are a lot of numbers involved, so take your time and you won't have a problem. So this video has presented a few worksheets where we can practice adding decimals. We've seen how important it is to put the numbers in the columns perfectly under each other, and also the decimal point, and we've also seen the values of each single digit if it lies to the right of the decimal point.